What? No, your dog's licking me and I'm getting it on video. Wait.
I don't know how much cereal these want.
You won't stop licking me, dog.
Darby.
No, I just want to see how long he can go.
It's a she.
Sorry, she.
Freaking cat.
Look, she's really licking that arm. I wonder what it tastes like. It's been like 43 seconds already. She stopped. Hey, Darby. Darby. Hey, Darby.
Look, the InStyler, I
And she goes again.
I have all your stuff. Because I don't know how much cereal or milk you want.
Okay, you're done.
I'm just going to eat this.
Emily. Darby. Me.
Yeah.
Me.
Ew, I look gross. My makeup's probably like off on one eye.
Okay, bye.